What is the area of a regular hexagon whose perimeter is 30 centimeter? So a regular hexagon has 6 sides, so we have, and all sides are equal, so we have 6s is equal to 30 centimeters. So the side should be equal to, divide both sides by 6, so we have 5 centimeters. So the area of an irregular hexagon that we have solved or derived from the previous problem, we have 3 s squared, square root of 3 over 2. And this, for this case, our s is equal to 5 centimeter. So that so the area of that regular hexagon is equal to 3 times 5 squared, square root of 3 over 2. And this gives us 75 square root of 3 over 2 centimeters squared. So that's the area of that regular hexagon with perimeter 30 centimeters. It results to the side 5. So this 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So the area is 75 square root of 3 over 2 square centimeters.